Hello everyone, welcome back to AlokIQ. In today's video, we are going to learn English through a simple and natural conversation between neighbors. This will help you improve your daily English speaking skills.
Yes, listen carefully to the conversation, notice the sentences, and try to repeat them after us. Let's get started.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. I just moved into the house next door, so I wanted to introduce myself properly.
Oh, that's wonderful. Welcome to the neighborhood. It's nice to finally meet you.
Thank you. Everyone seems very friendly here.
Yes, it's a peaceful area. Most people have been living here for years.
That sounds nice. If you don't mind me asking, when is the garbage collection day?
It's every Tuesday and Friday morning. You should keep the bins outside before 8 a.m.
Thanks for letting me know. I didn't want to miss it on my first week.
No problem at all. If you ever need any help, feel free to ask.
That's very kind of you. Actually, I was also wondering about the nearest grocery store.
There's a supermarket just 2 blocks away. You can walk there in about 5 minutes.
That's convenient. Is it open late?
Yes, it stays open until 10 p.m. every day.
Perfect. That will be helpful for me.
By the way, what do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer. I mostly work from home.
That's interesting. So you'll be around during the day.
Yes, most of the time. If the music ever gets too loud, please let me know.
Don't worry, I appreciate that. And if my dog barks too much, please tell me as well.
Deal. It's always better to communicate openly.
Absolutely. Good neighbors make life easier.
I agree. Oh, one more thing. Is there any community meeting or event here?
Yes, we usually have a small gathering once a month at the park.
That sounds like a great way to meet everyone.
It is. I'll inform you about the next one.
Thank you so much, Emily. I'm glad to have such a helpful neighbor.
You're welcome, David. I'm happy you moved here.
All right, I should let you get back to your day.
No problem. See you around.
See you soon.
We hope you enjoyed this simple conversation.
Try to practice these sentences in your daily life. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AlokIQ.
And press the bell icon for more English learning videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.